Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me the long-awaited for Tomica LaFerrari. I've been waiting for this one for around 4 months, or 5 months actually, so finally got my hands on it just after it came out here in Singapore, just a few days back. So finally have it, yes, really excited. Only have the red LaFerrari, no Testarossas or black LaFerrari, sadly, because they are not even being imported here. So anyway, let's just get into the car, or rather, the box first. First up, we have the new 2018, number 62, and where is the Ferrari logo? It's down here. Usually it's maybe up here next to the name, but for the Ferrari, I guess they want it to be different. So it's down here, right at the bottom left. Don't think I've ever seen that before on Tomica cars, so let's just move on. Here's the picture of the car, looking really great in all its glory. Cool air vent right there, and at the front, really nice print on the box. For the top, we have an all new Ferrari license, so really cool. With half of the horse here in a hologram. It's really nice. Haven't really seen that in a while. And let's just go back up here with the Scudera Ferrari right here and the printing on the box. For the back, we have, ST18, 2018 car, G18, because, 2018. So let's get into the car. And, kind of really scared to touch it because I don't know what's gonna happen. I mean, it's a really one of my favorite cars, actually, even though I don't really like Ferrari as much as Lamborghini or McLaren. This is got to be one of my favorite Tomica cars. So anyway, let's start off with the review proper. For the front bumper right here, the bottom is just black, while on top right here we have a bit of red, and your front, I actually call this one a vent pillar, but I don't know what you guys want to call it. Let's just call it vent pillar for now. Anyway, right here it is red, really well detailed. The red goes all the way in there, so not just on the front. The grille, not grill or vent, is black. No detail for that, sadly, but still really nice. Ferrari logo on the front right here. Haven't actually seen this one since a car, since 24 years back or 25 years back, something like that. If you know the exact year, let me know down in the comments when the last Ferrari was produced, because I'm so glad to have it back. So nice, that square or rectangle badge. So anyway, right here for the headlights, they are transparent plastic, so there are a little really cool looking like 458 lights, I think, or 488 lights. Look exactly the same because those little dots back there really give it the texture that it is on the real car. Also got a whole lot of different grooves here on the front bonnet. Don't know where to start, actually. Maybe here on this one, where there is no, I don't know if that's actually a trunk because I don't own a LaFerrari, obviously. So this may be a boot. Have no idea. If it is, then that's where you open it up. But here we have an air vent. This one's detailed with black in the front and a little grill right there for the center. For the rest of the bonnet, it's in cool wavy looking lines and really accurate. Over here, just below the windscreen, is black, and inside there, that little groove is red. Really well detailed. And for the side right here, another Ferrari logo, one more for this side. Also, we notice that the wheel arches go all the way down into the side air vents. Really cool with this part. Really love this. It's my favorite part of the LaFerrari, especially in real life. This just looks insane. So when you open up the doors, these have gull-wing doors, if that's what you want to call them, but sadly they don't actually open on the Tomica version. Really sad because I really love gull-wing doors. For the top over here, we have, just completely black, and over here it continues on with your very sleek-like shape to the back, which is a really thin part of the engine bay. So right here we can see some really nice plastic outlining. This is on the actual windscreen panel right here. So this entire thing is one panel. This one's just black plastic, while this is transparent plastic. So for the engine bay right there is a V12 engine, I should think. Actually, I kind of forgot my specs for the LaFerrari. I think it's V12. And anyway, Ferrari right there. Our rear lights here, they actually This looks weird because this one is definitely plastic, transparent plastic. Well, this one on the other hand looks like it's not transparent. So I don't know what that's supposed to be. Maybe if you guys know, let me know down in the comments. And right here for the back of the Ferrari, you can see the horse right here on this back splitter and some detailed air vents. So really nice. The air vents from the side come out right here at the top in these cool leaf-like air vents, and at the back right here. Also have a little place here to put your racing blinker. So yeah, there is a neat little space for it. No space for the number plate actually, so you have to put it off to one side, I guess. Diffusers at the bottom with exhaust pipes, 2 on each side, and some really nice looking diffusers. Don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's really detailed. So for the base right here, we have Tomica 2018 scale of 1 to 62 right here, and produced under the license of Ferrari. There is no actual name on this, but there is a made in Vietnam here. And this thing in white, so it's pretty sad that there's no actual LaFerrari written on it, because that would have been really nice, but it's just printed on, so not even the name too. Anyway, for the rest of the base, it's pretty detailed, even though it looks quite flat actually, because it doesn't give as much details as some other cars, as you might imagine, because I have another car right here, like that. Have another car right here. As you can see, the base is way more pronounced. Well, this one is just a bit awkward, I feel, for the base. Looks like it's made of really thin and cheap plastic. So really hope that they would improve the base sometime in the future, and all the future Ferraris have a better base. So I guess that's pretty much it. Oh, before that, well, I must turn this around a bit, because you know, can't really turn off the review for LaFerrari so fast. I'm just gonna give you all the angles of this right now before I end the video. And yeah, really neat. This one is the racing wheels, and apparently the back wheel is actually bigger than the front wheel. So yep, I kind of think that's true. So here's the back wheel, here's the front wheel. Still the ugly racing style with chrome, but I'll take it. It's on a LaFerrari, man. So yeah, gone one around the car. So I guess that's pretty much it. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.